Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to take off the bracelet on your Tissot PRX. It can be the quartz movement or the automatic one because they have the same case and also the same bracelet, and you can replace the bracelet with a strap or the other way around. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this type of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description below. So guys, if you own a Tissot PRX, as you can see on the back of the watch, you have a quick release system, meaning you can easily take out off the bracelet and put it back in. I've seen some people on the internet that tell you to remove the buckle. I would recommend to use this tutorial as it is very simple, especially since you have the quick release. So what you need to do is to grab the two pins. So I'm going to grab them and then I'm going to press them against each other, and that is going to remove the bracelet on one side. So as you can see, it was pretty easy. And now let me also show you up close how this works. So this is how the pins look inside, and when you press against each other, you will actually be able to take the bracelet off. So now let's do this process on the other part of the bracelet as well. So I'm going to grab the two pins, press them against each other, and voila, I have removed the bracelet. Now you have to do the same process when you put the bracelet back in, or the strap if you want to put in a leather strap onto your Tissot PRX. This process might take a little bit longer because it is harder to put them back in. So guys, what you want to do is to grab the two pins, press them against each other, and then you are going to introduce this between the lugs, and you can release it easily. Maybe one pin goes inside and you can adjust the other one as well. Make sure that you hear both pins going inside, and you can also check it a little, and as you can see, the strap is in. So we have one part done. Now I'm going to switch around. So I'm going to press the two pins once again, and with the right hand I'm holding the watch. I'm putting everything in. I have released the two pins, and as you could have heard, the two pins went inside. You can hear that click, and the bracelet is back in. This is how you can actually replace the bracelet with the strap, and the other way around. Once you get the swing of it, you can easily do this by yourself at home in 1-2 minutes, and I believe that this is a faster tutorial compared to most of the tutorials that I have seen online. So guys, I hope that this was useful to you guys, it was helpful, and if so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.